This rapid method uses a laser cutter and thermoplastic polyurethane to fabricate thin soft actuators with arbitrary geometry and sizes. The main advantage of that technique is that it allows a quick design and fabrication of multiple thin soft actuators and rubber prototypes in parallel.
To calibrate a force sensor to be used in the heat press, first place a glass slide on the force sensor and put a weight on it. Write down the force and resistance of the sensor and use a digital caliper to measure the area of the sensor. Then calibrate the sensor by dividing the force values by the measured area to obtain the pressure data, and use a spreadsheet to fit a linear line to the pressure versus resistance data. Next, sandwich the force sensor between two layers of 50 by 50 by 3 mm silicone. Place the layers inside the heat press and turn the pressure knob until a pressure of approximately 200 kilopascals is read from the sensor. To heat press the TPU films, put on gloves and cut 4 30 by 30 mm layers of the material. Position the 4 sheets so that all 4 of the edges are aligned and place the sheets inside the heat press. Set the temperature of the heat press to about 93 degrees Celsius and close the heat press fully. Keep the films inside the press for 10 minutes before opening the press and removing the laminate.